Hey guys, it's Trish back with another video. Today we're going to make a really pretty anklet. We're going to use these really pretty buttons from Dress It Up Buttons. They're called Latelier de Fleurs, which I really like. Here, this package, you can see the name a little bit better on there. But yeah, they're really pretty. They have some really pretty tones of pinks and purples and whites and some black in there just to kind of give it a pop. And then we're going to use some of these beads. These are Kate. These are called Kate, and these are from Jesse James Beads. These are from the Society Papers line that they have, which is absolutely stunning. So if you haven't checked that out as well. I'm going to use some elasticity, and that's all you really need, guys. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I have opened my buttons up and then taken the smallest strand and I have opened that. I'm hoping that I can use that. If not, we would certainly go for the bigger beads, but I have my elasticity here and I'm just going to leave it on the roll, but I'm going to give it a little stretch before I get started. So I'm going to start out by weaving on one of our buttons. I'm going to grab one of the purple ones, and you're just going to feed the end of your elasticity through one of the holes and down the other side into the other hole, and then you're just going to move that up your elasticity. Okay, and we're just going to kind of pull on the elasticity and pull on the flower and move it up. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to add a bead. Okay, so there we have our bead and our flower, and we're just going to continue this, putting it through one side of the hole and down the other. And you can also do this with shank buttons. It works just as well. You're just using the shank instead of the holes. So I'm just moving that down as I go. And it's okay if you can see the elasticity, it's clear, so you're not really going to see it much anyway. And we're just going to move and get this kind of where it needs to be here. There. And then we're going to add another button. Oh, excuse me, another bead. And a button. Okay. Just want to make sure I'm not getting tangled there. Yep, and we're good. Just moving those down. Gonna get them. We can always adjust as we go, but we kind of want to. I measured my ankle and I need about 10 inches, a little over. But measure your ankle. You can even just take the elasticity and wrap it around before you start, and then put it against a ruler and see what size will best fit you. And that's probably the easiest way to do it. And as I'm going here, guys, I'm just kind of moving these around, seeing where I want them, leaving some space. Those are really cute, really cute. And then we're going to add another bead. So let's add one of our roses. That on a button, another color. We haven't used white. I don't know that I'm going to use the black in this. I kind of want to keep it light and airy. Get that through the hole there. And we're just going to keep on doing that as we go. This is going to be adorable. Okay, so let's add another one of our pink beads. button. We're back to our purple, I think. And you don't need a ton of beads because you're spacing these out, and also you have your flowers in between. So you're going to see the elasticity, and you're going to have those flowers also just put space between. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more beads and flowers so we get to our length, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have everything that I want on my strand of elasticity, and I've spaced them out pretty much how I want them, but once you get it on your ankle, you'll be able to tell a little bit more how you would like it. So I've got that all put together. I've measured my ankle. I know it's going to fit. I've put on one of these large hole spacers on the end, so I have something to hide my knot in when I tie it off. So simply, when I tie off an elastic bracelet, I usually I ended up doing it a little backwards. Most people go right over left, and you can do that, but it feels really weird to me. So I just do left over right. Okay, and we have our tie there. And then the right strand goes over the left. And you can leave some space there too, because you're going to slide your little rondelle over top of that. Okay. That's that. And then we're going to do it one more time where we're going left over right. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I have my knots there. And I don't want to shorten this up too much, so I'm just going to give this, all four of those, kind of a pull at the same time. And it's a little easier to do this way when you don't have like solid beads that you have something for it to press against. Okay, so all you would do then is you're going to want to cut your elasticity. You can put a little glue on your knot if you have some glue handy. And I'm just going to cut that knot, not exactly up to it, just leaving a little tiny bit. And there you go, guys. There is our finished anklet. And when you put it on your ankle, all these flowers are going to lay nice and flat for you against your ankle, and you'll just see the floating beads and the pretty little flowers on your ankle. And I think it'll be a really pretty little addition to any outfit. So thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.